Hey friends, welcome back to AIfinder. Today we're checking out one of the most impressive upgrades in AI image generation right now, Seedream 4.0 inside Dreamina. I tried different prompts, uploaded reference images, and honestly, the results look unreal. What Seedream 4.0 can do. A single prompt plus a reference image can deliver outputs like this: the dynamic angle, the wide shot, the clean details, all in 4K quality. And yes, Dreamina makes pose transfers and action transfers super simple. You can literally sketch your own pose, upload it, and Seedream 4.0 understands it perfectly. Interactive editing is built right into Dreamina. You can add objects to your character, make changes directly on the canvas, and get results that blend naturally. Getting started on Dreamina. Right now, I'm on Dreamina's website, where you get daily credits to create high-quality images using Seedream 4.0. On the homepage, the AI image tool lets you upload up to 6 reference images. Tap AI image, select your model, and choose Seedream 4.0, which supports multi-reference and batch generation. Multi-reference outfit. Example. Let me show you an outfit example first. I have 6 reference images: shoes, a bag, a cap, pants, a character, and a polo shirt. Just upload all 6, choose your ratio, and set the quality to Ultra 4K. Now type a simple prompt like, make him wear all the specified items and position him standing in front of a cafe. A few moments later, Seedream 4.0 generates 4 variations. And the character consistency is insane. The clothing, the accessories, the pose, everything is placed exactly where it should be, and the 4K clarity makes it perfect for social media. Style reference. Example, here's a real photo of a person. Clean, natural, and unedited. But what if you want to turn this into a creative cartoon style for social media, branding, or profile use? First, upload this real image into Dreamina AI and see how easily it can transform styles. Now, instead of enhancing realism, we simply choose a cartoon or illustration style. This is where style-to-style transformation really shines. To guide the result, we add a simple prompt. Turn this real person into a clean cartoon illustration with smooth lines and vibrant colors. With one click, Dreamina AI processes the image and applies the selected style. And here's the result. The real photo is now transformed into a cartoon-style illustration while still keeping the original facial features intact. This kind of transformation is perfect for avatars, profile pictures, marketing visuals, and creative content, without any manual design work. Character difference. Example. Next up is one of my favorite features, character difference. Upload 2 characters, describe the order clearly, and combine them in a new scene. For example, referring to image 1 and image 2, generate an image of a boy and girl happily driving a car on a highway with mountain views. Dreamina gives multiple versions with detailed lighting, clean faces, and perfect character consistency. Interactive editing, inpaint. Upload an image into the canvas and select inpaint. Brush on any area, then type something simple like add sunglasses. You don't need complex prompts. Dreamina handles the structure automatically. You can add products, props, accessories, bags, and more, and everything looks naturally blended. Pose, transfer with sketch. Now here's something powerful. Pose transfer using custom sketches. Upload your sketch first, then your original image. Describe it like, apply the sketch pose from image 1 to the girl in image 2. You get 4 angle variations with accurate pose transfer. You can even combine multiple people and a pose sketch in one frame for perfect action alignment. Dynamic instruction. Recognition. Now let me show you dynamic instruction recognition, one of the strongest parts of Seedream 4.0. Upload your character, clothing, accessories, and objects, then write a detailed prompt like, full body low angle dynamic shot of a male model stepping forward on a beach, camera close to his slippers, water splashing upward forming stylish shapes, cinematic lighting, ultra-realistic detail. Seedream 4.0 reads every instruction deeply and delivers cinematic, clean, extremely detailed shots. Style transformations. You can also stylize your character using different styles: manga, comic, Pixar, illustration, and the results look sharper and more controlled than many other tools right now. Why Dreamina stands out. And that's why Dreamina is quickly becoming a favorite for creators who need consistency, style control, and multi-reference accuracy. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button for more AIfinder videos, and check the link in the description to try Dreamina and start creating your own high-quality content. Thanks for watching.